In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate custom reports in Mailchimp step by step. If you use Mailchimp to send campaigns and you want better insights into how your marketing is performing, custom reports can help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. This is especially useful if you want to track results more closely, compare performance, and make smarter decisions for your business. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Analytics section. This is where Mailchimp keeps its reporting and performance tools, so it's the first place you need to go when you want to review data from your campaigns. Next, click on Analytics. After that, you'll see the option for Custom Reports. Go ahead and click on Custom Reports to open the reporting area. This is where you can access more detailed reporting options and work with the data in a more flexible way. Now, once you're on the Custom Reports page, Mailchimp may prompt you with an upgrade option. In this case, click on Upgrade to Standard Plan. This is important because custom reporting features are tied to the plan level, and upgrading gives you access to more powerful tools that can help you grow your business more effectively. From there, follow the on-screen prompts and review the available reporting options. Depending on what you need, you can look at performance data, campaign results, and other useful insights that help you understand your audience better. The goal here is to use custom reports to get a clearer picture of your email marketing performance instead of relying only on basic metrics. As you go through the reporting options, think about the kind of information that matters most to your business. For example, you might want to see how a specific campaign performed, which audience segments responded best, or how your overall marketing strategy is improving over time. Custom reports are powerful because they help you turn raw data into something you can actually use. If you're managing multiple campaigns, this can save a lot of time and give you a much more organized way to review results. Instead of jumping between different screens and guessing what worked, you can focus on the reports that matter most and make better decisions faster. And that's really all there is to it. You've now seen how to go to Mailchimp, open Analytics, access custom reports, and upgrade to the standard plan if needed to unlock those reporting features. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you track and improve your marketing. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.